Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to know how to add the validation in React Native. First we are going to check our email is valid or not. Then we are checking to the phone number. So let's start with the practical. So first I will go to create the function with the name const. So now just come here if need a not operator also, and there I will show the alert. In the first I will check is there any value or space on press. Check first. So it say please enter your email. If I type anything, let's press the button. So see it say please enter your email because we haven't entered any value, so it's working fine. So just type anything. Let's see. So our condition is true because it's going to the outside the condition. So we need to return also. So this is fine. So now we need regex for the email. So just come to your browser and type email regex for JS. Copy the regex. This is the email regex. Just copy this and come here and just create a const. See, it say enter your valid email. If I type any wrong email, so now it will say enter your valid email. See, if I type the other thing, so it say it's fine. So this is the regex to apply for the email. So now we are going to add the regex for the phone number. So just come here. Just come here and there is a phone number regex. This is the phone number regex. Just copy this and come here to your function. Let me space. So just paste your regex and just copy this. Also we need to check is it empty or not, is there any space or not. We are not allowing to add some space also. For that, if I not operator and just phone number, just type your number dot trim. So trim function is by default the JavaScript function, so it's remove the space inside the text. So we are doing the alert dot alert. So let's check. So please enter your number. If I type anything, so now it will not show. So now we are going to check our phone number is valid or not. So so we need a return also in every place because it will go outside from this condition. Then we come F, and also we need to is check phone number dot test. So test is also by default the JavaScript function. So just type the number. If the condition is true, so it will be, and if the condition become true, so it will come inside, so it will show the alert. So let's see now, let's check is it working or not. If I type, so enter your valid phone number. If I remove this, so now it also say please enter your valid number, because we need a 10-digit number. So we need, let me type 10 digit 1 2 3 4. So now, so now in there we should apply else, because our condition is working fine. So let's see. Email and phone number is valid, so our condition. So let's explain the validation function first. So first we have a trim function. So trim function is a JavaScript function. So it will check if there any space in the text input. So it will come to the inside the condition and showing alert. So then we have our regex. So in the regex we have a text function. Text function is also a JavaScript function. So it will check the format of the our text input to the regex. So if the format is similar to the regex, so it will come inside the condition. So this is the validation in React Native. So in the else we can call the APIs also, and also we can navigate to the other screen. So this is the validation. So in the next video I will start the Firebase, how to integrate the Firebase in React Native. So see you in next video.